What's up? Let me show the stream a little bit. Yo. What are people in the chat talking about? This is on Ethereum 1 hour late. Well, it's gonna hit for 1 hour after. John Bladen, Crypto Mac, Bobby Fett, bullish form on the chart. Nami, Demjan, Rami. Hey Sasha, how's the count doing? How much we are at now? 14-16. I'm from school, a long time no see. I hope you're well. I am well. I hope you're well as well. Don't forget to hit the like. Yeah, guys. Touch Ring Racing is in the chat. You sound very murmured. Cannot hear you. Yeah, the mic was not close by. Let's see up here. It's a nice line though. Nice line. Oh yeah, this looks like expanding wedge. So if this expanding wedge comes even close down to the, what was that, another 5% down, we're gonna long the F out of this, man. Chile is 1 hour, 10th August, higher volume on pump, lower volume on dump. Chile is 1 hour. 10th August. Chiles. Higher volume on pump, lower volume on dump. 10th August, I mean, yeah, there was high volume on pump and lower volume on, but it was small. The dump was smaller than the pump. I'm a little bit unsure what, but you know what you're referring to, but you know. Maybe it has something to do with that, showing some kind of bullishness there. And SPY just got rejected from 200. It not just got, you know, it's a long time since it got rejected. Sound is too low. What do you mean sound is too low? Is the sound too low? Can you guys hear me? Do I speak a little bit too low? Sounds a bit low. You sound very murmured. Now it's okay. Okay, good. Now it's okay. So let's see what Bitcoin is doing over here right now. Right now it's coming back to these lows on the downside. Now if you look at a 4-hourly time frame, we will be creating a huge divergence if this for whatever reason falls below the previous low down here. So if we fall with this on the downside down here, we will be creating a huge divergence on the chart. That doesn't mean that this cannot go lower, but it's very, very hard. So I think we are already hitting some kind of bottom down there. Let's see up here. See 1 hourly time frame over here. This kind of failed. Seems plausible. You can short again. A little bit far away at the beginning. Yeah. Check the RSI on the Bitcoin. Yeah, what time frame? We know it's very, very low. 19.6 incoming, bro. Gabriel, the bearish TA wizard. This is Matic Ethereum short term. There is already divergence on the chart over here on the 4 hourly. We just closed the 4 hour like 10 minutes ago. I think this is gonna go down a little bit to create a wick on the downside and then go towards the upside. So some kind of wick on the downside. Let's see on the small time frames up here. It's a nice line though, it's 5 minutes Ethereum chart over here. Big divergence. The resistance. There you can go long. Bitcoin at 450 ETH. Agree, Gabriel. People are talking about such a low levels, man. Such low levels. I don't know how you guys are supposed to, survive the bear market if you are thinking that it's gonna go down to 0 every time. Matic holding up impressive about 0.76. Let's check out Matic. Matic is actually doing good on the daily time frame. I mean, it's still holding, but it's not yet done. Bitcoin, Ethereum is in the red on the day. Bitcoin is green on the day. Apecoin is having this, major move on the downside. See, some kind of exploding wedge up here. Let's see a little bit moving averages up here on the chart. Everything this daily, two-day drop down. 1 day and 4 hours left. Where is the support? Support's getting broken. Any kind of support is getting broken, even on the weekly time frame, which is quite bad. Leading bump and run pattern. It's gonna go back down to 3. How long is the bear market gonna take? I got stuff to do. The bear market is over. This is the bull market starting. People are just unaware that it's a bull market. This is the very first baby steps of the bull market. Chile is down 8%. Creating this, this is shooting star. No, this is not shooting star. This is a gravestone doji. 90k, here I come. The bragging rights are mine. 19k, yeah, you get bragging rights at 19k. Where is 19k? Are we gonna say 19k.9 or 19k.9? Okay, I'm gonna give you 19k.9. 19.9 I'm gonna give you, okay, man? I'm gonna give you 19.9. If it goes down there, it doesn't have to go to 19.001. 19.9 up here, give or take. That's 20k. There you go. If it gets to that level over here, if it gets to that level over here, Roche gets bragging rights if we fall down here. Okay, Roche, then you get bragging rights if you fall down there. Until we are there, shh. Bear market till November, guys, sorry. Oof, you just made a Premontage Sasha Oracle of Norway, now people will hold you onto it. Yeah, I never forget. I actually do. Around 3 months, 6 months to a year. We already been 2 months in accumulation phase, so yeah. Bragging rights get bigger when targets are lower. Yeah, he's gonna get small bragging rights, but you know. Sasha, I like your name. There's a DJ with the name though. Nice. I like to be DJ myself. You can listen to my music. Good evening, Demian. How you doing, man? So, I'm still a little bit unsure because this looks like it wants to bounce. I think right now we did the move down here, got rejected right now above here and towards downside, upside, right? I think that's the plan. I think that's the plan. That could be the plan. 2-day time frame up here. 2-day time frame closing in 3 hours. So after that, we're gonna create another doji on the downside, then continue towards the upside. So can we get back down to these levels? You know, 20.7. So how this usually goes, something like this, it goes down and then up again, maybe. Nothing new. Bear market always takes a year. True. Could get there. Yeah, I think we need to focus on the lines a little bit up here. Oh, did you see, guys, that I didn't even see this line, man? Did you see this, guys? Did you see this? Why didn't we draw this line before? Like, we are drawing this line over here, but we never drew this line over here, guys. Or maybe we did. I don't remember. This one up here. Bottom to bottom. I mean, it is nice. Is this the nicest line you've ever seen in your life? We did. Oh, we did draw the line. Okay. I don't know. I'm kind of seeing it better. Come on, man. It's a 4-year cycle. Get it. I get it, man. I get it. We've been doing a different kind of analysis. I don't know if you've been here before. You know, we've been talking about, you know, 4-year cycles. We've been looking at, you know, the logarithmic scale. We've been looking at all kinds of stuff, man. You know, we kind of know that, you know, how long stuff takes. Hope you are all winning. We will be soon. We will be soon winning. Beautiful line. It's a nice line. So the question is whether this line is gonna hodl. This is retail line. If this is retail line, where is the pro trader line? Which line are pro traders, you know, looking at? If retail is looking at this, we wanna be looking at something else. And I'm a little bit unsure what we're gonna look at. I like this because of these weeks in the middle. Wave 1 and 3. I just opened long yesterday and today. Nicely bet. Hope you're doing well with the longs. So yeah, best I can give you is a year. Macro is horrible as well. Wave 5 is retail. I don't know. Here I see more than one waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 waves. I see 9 waves. But you know, the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. I don't know, man. It's a nice line, man. We're gonna keep the line. We're gonna keep the channel. I think the channel is nice as well because you can see down here these bottoms down here nicely confirming. Also, you know, somehow it's not actually perfect, but you know, it could be nice. It gives us hopium. It gives us hopium, you know. Let's zoom in a little bit more up here. How much on downside do we have up here right now? How much can Bitcoin fall on downside? 0.8%. Ethereum, on the other hand, like went strong to the downside. How much downside does Ethereum have? 1.6, that's 16%. This is nice expanding wedge up here though. I want to see you in a trade, dude. Yeah, what am I gonna do? Just, you know, open a random trade. It's the best we have for now. Good evening all. Good evening, Crypto Russ. How you doing, man? I like you late adoption. But be more flexible, man. There is of course a chance the bear market continues till year's end. Yes, it does. It does, in fact, have a chance. But why are we gonna bet on that? Why would we wanna bet that there is a chance for more downside and then miss the accumulation phase? Assume this is accumulation phase. Assume this is the, you know, bottom of the bear market. But you still think that, you know, it's gonna take a year. And you are wrong, because you can be wrong as well, right? You can be wrong that, you know, bear market is gonna take, you know, another year. You know, a long time left, that 70k wasn't the bottom and so forth. You know, then you're gonna miss it, right? You're gonna be FOMOing at 30-40k. On the other hand, right now, dollar cost averaging down to the bottom, whatever the bottom is pretty decent the way I see it. So just because, you know, it might be a, you know, bear market or something like that, that we are gonna go lower, I'm not taking bet on that. Stop loss on any spot. This question: do you have stop loss on any? No stop loss. I'm gonna keep my you know, spot positions open until we reach zero or something like that. It really doesn't matter, because they're gonna be open like for next 3 years. Yeah, what I missed 10%. It's a little bit more than 10% when it goes up to 40k, so I sold it at 130 or something. Guys, I was doing research today. And dollars in circulation. Dollars in circulation. Now, there is 2040 billion in circulation. That's 2.04 trillion in circulation. Now let's do a little bit math, guys, and I'm gonna tell you what the if Bitcoin is, you know, gonna take over the dollar, what is the price of Bitcoin that it has to reach to have, you know, same kind of market cap as dollar, and that is, I'm gonna show you right now, 2040. That's 2 trillion 40 billion 400 million. Sorry, 2 trillion 40 billion million 100,000 100,000 million billion 2.040, right? And divide that, so there is how many coins are in circulation, right? Now divided by 21 million 97. So if Bitcoin reaches 97,100k, it's gonna have the same market cap as all the dollar in the world. Makes sense, man. I agree. Bought a bag of hacks today. Ooh, I want to get into hacks, but, you know, I'm a little bit you know, on sideways on that, because it's not Web3, it's not metaverse, it's not NFT. I don't know, man. I think I'm a little bit unsure about hex, but, you know, it might do well when Pulse Chain comes out. Yeah, when Pulse Chain comes out, it might do well. When is Pulse Chain coming out? I don't know. You know Hex did 33x. Yeah, I know Hex did 33x. Did you know that I shilled Hex when Hex wasn't released yet? I was watching live trading for a month, how long? For an entire year, when they had you know, buying Hex at the, you know, when they are buying Hex off the web page. From the Richard Hark's webpage, and I did not buy. I was even watching the lowest price you could ever get on Hex, and I was sitting here listening to music, and I was like, oh man, I'm not sure, maybe it's gonna go low, maybe it's gonna, it never went lower, and then it went higher, and of course I did not buy higher because I was waiting again for it to go a little bit down. Never bought Hex, unfortunately. Friend 800,000, yeah, 2 weeks. You know, X did 3 in 2 weeks. Yeah, X did like insane amounts of move toward, but I was kind of expecting that because the guy, you know, Richard High, you know, I already like the guy. You know, he's smart fella. Who knows SLP coin here? Gaming coin. SLP is not gaming coin. Axie Infinity is a gaming coin. SLP is a currency in the Axie Infinity, which is inflationary. If I have shorts from 25k bought on Bitcoin and Apple, Tesla, AMC as well, now stops attention. Bought big pack. This is still overbought on the weekly stochastics. Let's check out you know, we can definitely look at stochastic right now. Long time since I looked at any kind of stochastic indicator up here. Let's do another chart up here because reasons. And let's say it's stochastic. Let's look at some weird. I mean, you got a cross down here on the 1 hourly, 4 hourly. Look at a 4 hourly. It's been just, you know, hugging the bottom side down here. Daily looks like it wants to get cross, but this can of course continue just sideways up here, right? So it doesn't tell you that much, but it looks very, very low on the daily. 2-day time frame is just, you know, going right now towards downside. Did it ever stop in the, you know, after being here at the top, did it ever stop in the middle up here? It did not. It always went down. Let's look at a weekly. Weekly that will cross towards the downside actually. Look here, once we started going up here, once we start on stochastic to go up here and reach the top up here, right? Entire move, you know, stochastic was holding, you know, top up here. Same here, from over here towards the top, held the top. There was a little top up here, but the bear market. But once it starts going up here, you got a cross down here, and after that it just explodes towards the upside. Now we did get a cross right down here, and it started going towards the upside. Right now you're getting this, you know, cross on the downside. So it's not the same kind of, you know, people may be hoping that it's gonna be the same move, but it wasn't. Let's look at some other indicators up here. That was stochastic, no, super trend. Let's look at a super trend indicator. I don't usually look at these indicators, you know. Somebody, there was a guy in the chat that was always asking me to look at super trend indicators, and that's why I have it up there. But you know, so super trend over here is still saying that we are bearish and we need to get above 35 to be bullish. But you can see down here, you know, super trending is not that good because, I mean, it's all the way up here at 5k that it became actually bullish, but that was already, you know, it already broke certain levels. It was already being stupidly bullish and then explode towards the upside, right? So you know, if you wait for the super trend to actually break towards the upside, you're gonna definitely miss it. The same thing goes over here. It becomes bearish, you know, all the way down there, you know. So it's not actually any way, shape or form good indication for when this stuff is gonna happen. Maybe there's some other, you know, stuff to be looked at on the indicator, but I don't like it. I don't like it. A relative tilt index. I don't know how to analyze this. There's a daily for Bitcoin. You will see 80 million bit is out, some are lost, so you can calculate 60 million. Now you gotta calculate 21 at the end. Sold half of the position. I have absolutely no clue what this is telling me, man. It's just zigzagging above the line, below the line. Well, tilt index. Is there something actually worthwhile looking at? Yeah. Let's see Bollinger Bands up here. This is monthly Bollinger Bands. Let's go to historical Bitcoin. Let's look at this through logarithmic time frame. You see here, once this starts curving towards upside up here, sideways, that's actually, you know, game over. Every time it starts curving, it's game over, right? So right now it's coming down to the bottom and then towards the upside. So that's the plan, guys, that's the plan. But the volatility is going down. So I'm not expect once this comes, you know, the expansion comes again towards the upside up here. I mean, you can do this over here, of course, but you know. We're gonna remember this, guys. We're gonna remember this. Okay, what are we gonna do with it? We gotta trade something, right? What do we say up here? This is creating a bullish engulfing candle on the hourly time frame. Let's see 30 minutes time frame up here. 30 minutes already closed bullish engulfing candle. Let's pop some moving averages on this baby over here and see what's happening up here right now. But we are not above any kind of moving averages. We did get a bullish engulfing, but didn't actually break anything. We are still below this, you know, resistance level up here. So there's that. Planning to buy 1 million SLP coin. Am I stupid? I don't know, man. Why would you buy 1 million SLP coins and not something else? Like, what is the bullish scenario for SLP? An inflationary coin inside one game. What is the bullish scenario for that? I mean, you do you, of course. You buy whatever you want to buy, but you gotta explain to me, why would you want to buy SLP? Like, I can explain you everything I'm buying. I can explain you why I bought it, right? There is a reason behind it, so you know. Let's see, hope we long it tonight. I think we are long. I don't think we're gonna short. I believe we can go down a bit more before going up. You know, stuff can happen. Stuff can definitely happen right now. RSI was all the way down at 14 down here and had a nice bounce. Sorry, yeah, 13, 14 down here and had a nice bounce. Went sideways, give it down up here. I think this is gonna actually break towards upside up here and then try and you know, new move up here before it does another move towards downside and then goes towards upside. Yeah, over here, getting some kind of bullish cross up here. RSI is down at 32, so it's not in, you know, these extreme levels on the downside, like something like 20 or something like that, like down here. But this was exceptional move. The same thing goes for over here. This was also exceptional move down 26. This was very bad move. Let's see how this actually played out before on the downside. You can see all these moves towards downside, you know, keeping above 30 levels. And after that, like after we got this capitulation phase, like we never touched like 30 levels until we down here. This was a 30 level, that's the 30 level, you know, 30 level, 28 level, stuff like that, right? But this was extreme moves. So yeah, right now sitting at 33, where we, you know, we can technically go down more. Even on the 2-day chart up here, we can technically go down more on the RSI, but you know, we're not gonna bet our, you know, our longs and shorts on the long-term positions. Put 15 Lunk and 15 Kaltao. Thank you later. Hope I like you, joke, funny man. I like you too, Gabriel, the most bearish bear in the chat. I'm thinking SLP goes 10 cents, I have 100k euros. 10 cents. Okay, man. Let's do some little math, Stella. Let's do some little bit math. Now, of course, market cap doesn't count, but you know, whatever. Let's look at SLP. In fact, SLP. Let's look at SLP, guys. Let's go to the monthly time frame. Let's clear up everything. It looked like it bottomed down here, though. I'm not gonna have it, but 10 cents. That's all the way up here. Right, that's up there, right? So if it goes from wherever it's now to up there, it needs to do a 2386. That's 230, 23x. It needs to do 23x, right? It does look like it's bottomed out, but you know, this thing is inflationary. You know, it's backed on it, and they're just printing more and more of it, right? So there is no reason why this should actually go towards the upside. The chart looks terrible by all means. There we go. We actually broke this towards up. Maybe do a nice move. Maybe it's gonna pump. You know, and when this thing pumps, it pump actually a lot. But you know, doing a 23x on this thing, I don't know, man. I don't know. Spell token. If that was an animal, doctor would put that broken horse down. So yeah, so this thing has, you know, been bleeding for a long time. It did have these, you know, pumps, and you know, all coins will have these, you know. So over here, that was euphoria phase and stuff like that, right? Oh, it's gonna go to, you know, whatever, and then big down, and it was just kind of bleeding, dying, you know. And some of these coins that have been doing this move towards downside, you know, they will actually do a very nice big pumps over here. But I'm a little bit unsure whether, you know, a gaming, it's not even a gaming coin. X Infinity is a gaming coin. SLP is currency inside the gaming coin. Somehow SLP was 43. Check what I told you. Why can't you write normal English, man? What's up with all the broken words, man? If you are looking for 100 gems, check what I told you. And then if with a capital letter, and after you know, you know, dot or whatever it's called. I'm gonna buy SLP, it's way too inflationary. Still, okay, enough talk about everything, guys. We gotta find something to trade. Enough talking. We did enough talking. We gotta find something. You know what we're gonna do before we find something? Before we find something. You know what we're gonna do before we find something to long? I think we're gonna long something, but I'm a little bit unsure about what and when. And you know, there is no volatility right now, but it might be getting ready. So you know, we're gonna try to find something on the bottom. I mean, there is a whole bunch of coins up here that might be on some kind of bottom. So you gotta find something. We don't care what kind of coin it is. If it's on Bybit and we can long it or short it, we're gonna definitely, you know, look at it. So we're gonna look at all kinds of possibilities, you know, and all kinds of, you know, bottoms, and we're gonna pick the bottoms. Unified trade setup, bro. Okay, guys. Okay, 5 minutes break. put on order 20 for long and go sleep. This might take. Maybe this time I'm broke. The price does look in effect a little bit weak. Still. But we got these, you know, 1, 2, 3 moves. This is Polkadot. Let's choose from it near .AVAX to trade. They look good. This is on the 1 hour time frame. So hourly closes in 3 hours and 50 minutes, so it's pretty long. Ethereum already losing a little bit of support. Let's see 1 hourly. If you can get a doji on the bottom, then we can actually long everything. If Bitcoin pulls back to 21.30, so 21,987 in the next 14 minutes, if it pulls back down here, then we can actually, you know, long everything because we got a doji up here. There is doji on ARA. Let me just sort coins symbol. Where is my Ethereum? I'm just sorting coins a little bit up here. There you go. Okay, let's see. Cardano. 1 hourly. There is no. There was a doji over here already. Breaking the trend. Is this a rising wedge? Spending wedge? Maybe rising wedge. A shitty rising wedge. It's quite bad one if it is. I lost support of this one, it lost support of top up here. Right now I think it's, you know, in the short term it's gonna go down. Adventure game. Would you advise I keep pure and finance coin? I'm a little bit unsure about, you know, coins when it comes to, you know, fundamentals on them. I feel like in the CIA. Yeah. Gonna see if this actually managed to break towards the upside. Maybe we should just, you know, randomly short Cardano over here, because on 1 minute chart it looks like it might actually drop on the downside. Look here. Yeah, let's short Cardano up here on top. I mean, what is the worst thing can happen now? We lose like 5% or something like that, right? So let's do that. So we're gonna start with Cardano, okay guys? Cardano USDT over here, 10 isolated, 100% open short. Confirm. There you go. We are in a short position on Cardano right now. So entry position over here on Cardano was at 44.55. Entry short 455. We're gonna see that it looks like, I mean, it's been hitting this, you know, 1 time, 2 times, tried, you know, 3 times, reject up here, start falling below this over here. Right now holding this might actually fall down, might actually fall down all the way down to something like 44.10 or something like that down here. Now if it does that, you know, target 10% or something like that, maybe, just maybe. We gotta see how this actually plays out. But if you for whatever reason should pump from this point over here, you know, our loss is gonna be something like 3% or something like that, so it's okay. This feels like scalping, like the stuff happens, so, you know, we can actually look at it, right? Long term I'm actually, but I think just, you know, very short term, I think we might go a little bit more down. We are right now looking at the last 10 minutes of the 1 hourly time frame. So as soon as this 10 minutes has actually played out, I think we need to reevaluate our positions and see if we're gonna keep it open or not. So this over here, if it loses the 50 MA on 1 minute chart up here, I think it might have a nice move towards the downside, right? So there we go, it's losing the 50. But this is only a 9-minute trade. After that, we gotta reevaluate whether we're gonna keep it open or not. Going good so far. I mean, it's 1 minute chart, so, you know, only 1% up. So let's zoom in a little bit up here on the 5-minute chart over here, so we can see this a little bit better. There we go, high. All right, now it might go all the way down to 44.10 or something like that. I think. There you go. Not quite yet. I mean, it's a 1 minute chart. Maybe we should go to 15-second chart, and, you know, because reasons, and see if this actually failed the 200 moving average, goes a little bit lower down. They will bounce at 44.3 down here. Who said that? Who said that? Who said that? M1. I think you were too fast to short. No, but do you know what I noticed? I noticed if I can see something on the chart and I do the, you know, the risk management, I see, okay, if I go up here, you know, that's gonna break certain levels, that's gonna be bad, and I see that's like below 5%. I see that's, you know, I can handle, you know, 5% loss, that's fine on 10x, right? But on the downside, I mean, we are looking at, you know, a 1% gain, so, you know, the risk reward, I think it's okay, and it already started kind of breaking on downside. This was a pullback towards the upside, you know, so these give me confidence to enter the trade. But when I see, for example, something like this, if you go to 1 hourly time frame, for example, let's do something like Bitcoin over here, right? And you see some line on the downside, right? And you see that, you know, down move. Okay, down move right now over here is 3%, so, you know, technically we can go long. But if you think like maybe, okay, if it bounces towards the upside, you know, it's up 2%, you know, that's like 21% loss, right? If it goes all the way up there, right? And then I wouldn't short, Okay, it did not bounce at 43, so M1, you are wrong. No bragging rights for you, man. 44.16. There we go. 41. There we go. I think we should take profits, right? Where is it? 8% market take, confirm. Okay, there is it. That was a quick scalp. I don't know if that was, you know, pretty good or not, but, you know, it came to a target for whatever reason, right? And you know, that was what we are expecting, some kind of rising wedge down here to the support. It might go lower, we get that, but, you know, so there is that. Yeah, first trade of the night, that's good, but it continues going lower. So right now we are gonna close in next 6 minutes. So right now it's getting very interesting. Bitcoin is overextended on the downside. Let's look at the volume. Volume kicking in. This is actually a long position somewhere up here. I don't know quite where, but there is definitely a long position somewhere up here. Let's see Ethereum. Ethereum exploding towards the downside. Let's see 4 hourly. The dump, guys, the dump below down here. We're getting a huge divergence on Bitcoin up here. You can have faster sniper. Yeah, let's see up here, 5-minute time frame up here. Ethereum might be, let's see 15-second chart. Let's go lower. Let's go 5-second chart up here. We're gonna let it pull back to the 10 moving average. Let it pull back again. Let it pull back. ETH USDT. I don't think we have second charts up here. Minute is the best. Maybe down here on the line 1523 or something like that. Four minutes left on the 4 hourly. How much is downside over here? 7%. It's gonna break towards the upside. Okay, let's do that. My god, I need to be better at changing the screens. Wait. How much is downside over here? 4% loss. No, wait. I short eat LFG right now. This 5-second chart. Let's look at this minute chart up here. Uh, 5 minutes closing in 3 seconds. Gonna get this doji down here. 3 minutes left. There it goes. No. Rejection. It's a 5-second chart, guys. 5-second chart. But I think. Extreme oversold levels. Yeah. Okay, let's go long on Ethereum right now. I'm not too quick to actually press the buttons. 100% as open, long, confirm. Okay, I think we are in a long position right now. We broke this towards upside. Might actually pull back. We should have gotten on the pullback. Should not have done this. I kind of feel bad about this. Let's see up here. There you go. There's the pullback up here. The pullback should we have actually got, not actually the green candle. Where is our entry right now on a long position up here? 1536. Wow. What? Oh, okay, sorry. 1536. Wow, it's pretty high. See, it's all the way up there. We got another line though up here. If it breaks this line on the downside, we might take 1 minute left. Where is Bitcoin doing? Where is Bitcoin doing? It looks like it's consolidating. I think I'm gonna close this position over here. If it doesn't come up right now, rejection 5%. Consolidating up here. It's not falling down yet. Wait. Here comes the Bitcoin liquidity grab. These 5-second charts, guys. These 5-second charts. Yeah, we went in way high. There we go. We got our hourly close. We got hourly close. We got a 4-hourly close as well. No, we got just 1 hourly close. Hourly close goes lower. Divergence up here. Let's see 2 hours. 2 hours closing in 1 hour. Yeah, not feeling good about this at all. I feel like I'm living in the hopium, you know? But close position over there. I don't know, man. I hate living in the hopium. Maybe it was too small time frame. Too small time frame. Too small time frame. Just the opposite of Sheldon. So we lost the second trade, whatever. Let's see up here. 14.11. So we are down $4 for today. Let's go 5-minute chart up here, 5-second chart. Of course I sell the bottom. Oh man, that kind of bugs me, right? Let's go a little bit higher time frame. This is way too small time frame for me. But it did break this pennant towards downside. 11 seconds left. Can you get it back up there again? If it fails to get it back up there again, then it might actually dump a little bit more lower. And for month sticky we got 30k. I'm new at this channel. Utkar Avashi. Hemen Haidun. Ah, that was bad. We did not do that. Oh man, it sucks. Oh man. Why didn't we huddle? By the way, you're much more interesting than Sheldon. Oh man. Let's look at other things. Because reasons. So 1 hourly over here on Cardano up here. Everything goes up right now. Ah, goddamn, I gotta take a break, guys. Oh, it bites. Oh man, this bites. Yeah, look at it, man. Look at that. Ah, Christ, that's like 6% up, and we lost the trade. Imagine that. It's okay. It's gonna pull back down. We're gonna catch it and stuff like that, right? Volume was nice. No pullbacks. And time to update sign. It takes too long to update the sign. Need to throw and eat on the short or medium term prospects potential levels. Don't worry about it. Opportunities arise all the time. We are watching the small time frames, man. There will be trades, guys. There will be trades. Broke that as well. Wow. Double bottom for Bitcoin. 1 hourly. No pullbacks on 1 minute time frame. Literally no pullbacks. We're gonna get, if it has a pullback, we're gonna get it, right? Trading seconds can make you jumpy, man. I feel a lot more comfortable, you know, on very, very small time frames. I don't know why. I don't know why. Maybe because stuff happens too fast, so you know I have to react very fast. But I feel more comfortable on small time frames. I don't know why. There will be more opportunities, guys. There will be more opportunities. Look, a nice bounce. Losing momentum, overextend. Breaking the trend towards the upside up here. It's too steep. I think it's gonna drop on the downside again. But I don't want to short it, even though it can drop down, because it's not big to drop. I'm 7-8% down. But at least something's happening when you're watching the, you know, the small time frames, right? From the H, let's go. 19.3. MG, we are bearish as a F, bro. What's up, Mladen? We're trading 5-second charts. We did 2 trades, 1 won, 1 loss. Overall, minus $4 down. Here we go. 50-minute chart closing soon. See volume up here. The volume was pretty heavy duty on this thing over here. This bottom line didn't get hit though. I don't think it ever will be hit. Channel. Nice as well. The bottom of the channel. The 1 hourly. Don't chase lost trades. No. Down 22 in just a few days, just the beginning. Eric and Gabriel are two most bearish guys. You're my babe. Brate Sisan. European Bitcoin's bottom already in. Of course. I've been saying it for a long time. I think this accumulation phase, so you know. I might be wrong. I've been just wrong just recently, so there's that. So if you break this over here on the 5-second chart, we are breaking the second move towards the downside, so more bearishness to come. The bullishness still didn't kick in. I'm looking at 27th long. There is no way we're going to go more down at the moment. I don't think we're going to go down more. I think this is already the bottom, you know. But you know, I think you know, we still haven't closed the daily candle, and the daily candle right now, this is the daily candle. The daily candle actually went yesterday 10% down. Can you imagine that? 10% down. And right now in 3 hours, maybe, just maybe, we're gonna make this doji on the bottom down here, which will be super bullish if that actually happens. So this line down here, you know, see how we fell nice all the way to the bottom, you know, extensions towards downside. This is definitely long a bull. Yeah, it just keeps on climbing. Let's check some other coins meanwhile, see what they are doing. Cardano. Creating a triangle up here, breaking the triangle. Miss my log and AVAX. So this over here, it's consolidating up here. Question is, where will this go? If it starts breaking upside, we're gonna just randomly long. How much is the downside? 2%. How much is the upside? Consolidation in an uptrend up here. 5 minutes. But sitting these 5 minutes, you know, 10 MA, so it might actually pull back. Yeah, there we go. We broke it towards downside. The target should be, you know, somewhere around. Depends on how you do this, but you know, I would like to do it up here in the middle. I don't know why, but I think this is more legit. Around 200 moving average on the 5-second chart down there. As long entry on AVAX. It's almost ready to go up. Nah. We still need a daily close, guys. We still need a daily close, and daily close haven't happened yet. But look here on Cardano. This Ethereum daily close is sitting exactly down here at the 50 MA right now. The question is, will we break that? We bounced off of that right now. There we got a pullback towards downside, which is quite nice. It's gonna hit all the way down there. Five-minute chart. Let's watch 5-minute chart a little bit up here. Can reject, can pull a lot more down on the 5-minute chart. Got rejected by both 10 and 20 minutes on the 5-minute chart. 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours. I think when we close the 4-hourly and the daily, you know, it's gonna be very interesting where we close, you know, the daily all the way down there at 20.8 on this thing over here. Because if you close the daily on 20.8, that's all the way up here, so it needs to do some random moves up here, you know, maybe something like this, and then close up here. You can get this doji, and then we, you know, maybe start down and then explode towards the upside. Pull back 1006 and drop, in my opinion. 20 ML. Let's see 5-minute second chart up here. We're actually breaking the target that I actually thought it was gonna hold up here, which is kind of bearish at the moment. Okay, it broke that. It gets above the line. It's under moving average. Nah. Bitcoin closed down below under moving. Yes. Do we have any kind of divergence on the 5-minute chart? Not yet. It might just go down lower. Strong bearish force are in effect right now. Did break towards upside up here. Went down. Solid up here, break. That's 5-second chart. God damn it. Kind of new, kind of felt it like, but you know, still on the 5-minute chart is still below, you know, the moving average got bearish engulfing here on the 5-minute chart. 1 minute time frame up here. Why are drawing patterns on the 5-second time frame? Isn't that low of time frame in that? Nope, they work on all the time frames, man. Patterns work on all time frames. You gotta understand, when these people, you know, create bots to trade up and down, they trade milliseconds. They still need to, you know, need to know something about the chart to, you know, go long or short. And they look at the same patterns on microseconds that they look at, you know, 5-minute chart. You know, and everything, you know, plays out the same way. Looking for scalps. Yeah, I want to play game. $100, 100x short when I say, and we split the profit. No, thank you, man. Still can't get above this 10 moving average. Fails that. How many minutes left? 3 minutes left. 1, 2, 3. You see, generally in the lower time frames, the less strong the move, correct? Now, like, the reason we are longing right now, right, is because, you know, the big time frames are overextended towards us, especially the 4-hourly, right? We are hitting some kind of low levels on downside with extensions and stuff like that. We already had a bounce towards the upside and another move towards downside. So this looks to me, looks like it's gonna, you know, right now climb above the moving averages up here, and then, you know, have a nice move towards the upside. So the way I see it right now, everything needs to, you know, have a nice move towards the upside. That means that you can zoom in over here and look for a position towards the upside, right? At least the way I see it. This is a pivot point, but where are you gonna use the pivot point? This is too steep. Something like this. There you go. We got some kind of triangle up here going on. Oh man. A rejection from the retail trend. Let's see me get closer to 21.2 with a couple of fake moves during. Waiting for the... I just bounced hard. Because it went down here, then it broke that, then it broke this trend line over here, then it had a triangle over here that we did miss, right? And explode towards the upside above the retest up here. There you go, era. Short entry. And 23 something there. For this to become bullish on a little bit bigger time frames, this is the line, right? And it is climbing slowly towards that line. So the question is, are we gonna short the line or are we gonna long the line? What you guys think? Short or long the line? Because down here there was a lot of, you know, long positions up here going towards long side. Right now they're pushing up, but I think we gotta go and retest this line again. Minutes time frame closing, 10 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame. Kind of slowly up here trying to climb, but it doesn't have that much. Bullish engulfing here on Ethereum above the resistance. The question is whether this is gonna hodl. Now it falls back down inside the wedge. This actually looks like it's failing to get back above the 50 moving average up here. So right now I'm guessing down here and then below the triangle actually. This is a fake out move towards the upside without volume. And right back inside the triangle up here. Right now it's gonna lose up here, it's gonna go down. So that's what we are thinking right now. Short term. If it loses 10-20 on the 1 minute time frame, let's see up here, 5 minutes time frame up here. Pulling back to the 10 moving average. On the bottom of this triangle. Big balls if you are in a long position, volume moving on the 1 hour, and I feel under 1 trillion total coupon went down. Sure, I likes volume to break the 20 MA on 5 minutes. Yeah, but I don't believe in shorting that much. Like you short up here because it already broke certain stuff and had a retest. It hit this 50 MA. That's been, you can see up here, you know, the 50 MA on 5 minute time frame. It's got to reject all the time. But I'm guessing right now there is some kind of triangle up here, give or take. If AVAX goes all the way down there, without actually breaking it, we might actually long it. Yeah bro, not short, not good. needs to become bullish on our left. That's good. Yeah, nice. We long ARA down here. Yeah, I think we might actually. This on the 5 minutes time frame, right? I think we might actually do that. But it does look weak though. Bearish engulfing candle on 30-minute chart though. 4 hourly might create doji, but 4 hourly is closing in 2 hours and 30 minutes, so it's long way to go. Up here, you can see here we're getting rejected by every single time. It's only 2 touches on the bottom side, so we gotta do something else. Ethereum bearish, bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, bearish engulfing, bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing. Not quite yet. 36 seconds to go. But it already fell out below right now. Cardano. Listen to me. What do you say? We will see. I don't know what you said, man. Are you probably talking with Mladen? End of this quarterback. Call Shell asking you short or long. Nah, don't do that. We are not, we are not kids, man. We respect other YouTubers. Either way. Trustworthy trading Bitcoin to 19.5. I think this line up here is gonna hold, so I'm gonna put. Are we gonna put a limit order on Cardano over here, guys? This 1 minute time frame. How come this? Oh, it might be this. All the way down there, or how much is the difference between these two? 5%. Damn, that's huge. Let's go to 5-second chart. Maybe we can get a little bit. Yeah, this looks like. See how it's curving up here? How much down it is? Still 0. Low nothing, just saying. Could be that low is nothing just yet. You might be right, man. But we are taking a shot on this long prospect over here right now. This looks weak though. 5 minutes Bitcoin looks weak. If you get another volume down on this move up here, create a divergence on the 5 minute chart, now that's gonna be insane. It bounced. No, that's Ethereum. Cardano did not bounce yet. Down here is like 1%, that's 4%. I think we're good. We still don't have the volume to back it up. I'd like the volume to back it up. Lost, rejected. We have divergence up here. There's no divergence on the 1 minute, 2 minute chart. 5 minute chart up here. 10 minute chart. It's not dumping. I like your trades, funny man. Don't short out. We'll come back to recover 0.45, 0.46 before it drops more. No, we're not sure. We're looking for long position. We actually missed the long position down here, I think. I don't know. Let's see. Ethereum actually broke a little bit more towards the upside. Bitcoin went up. Everything went, but the other didn't. Now this is in the middle of the triangle, so I'm a little bit scared to do that. Well, if you know just a little bit up here, you know that you should not short right now. Yeah, shorting right now is kind of sketchy because, you know, we are a little bit overextended towards downside, some very low levels. So, you know, it's too late for shorting right now. You know, it's either long positions or nothing, right? Is there any other coin that looks better right now? I want to go long. We want to actually go long all the way down here, but, you know, I couldn't pull the trigger because reasons. So, you know, I kind of thought it might actually just, you know, do a move down here, but it didn't do that. So, you know, kind of missed that so far. It actually broke two trends over here. How much is it down again? 26. It's actually a bullish move. Why you not come down? Why you not come down? Wait, putting it long till you get confirmation. By the time you get confirmation, it's too late. You need to bet on something, right? One hour closing. 30. We already have a closing 30 minutes up here. Getting mighty close to the resistance though, so, you know. It's not this. Yeah, hitting at the resistance. Did we say we're not gonna short? We're gonna short on the resistance, but, you know, shorting up here at the resistance is a little bit sketchy right now. I mean, it can drop down a little bit up here, of course. Still waiting for this daily close. Daily close is way. So let me see what people are posting in the chat. I don't know what level is. Why can't you just take a screenshot of the entire thing, man? And your numbers are too dark, man. Can you make the numbers a little bit? Nami, make the numbers yellow. You know, on the side. I cannot see any numbers on the side. And look up here, man. You cannot see. There is a thing you can put a background color. See here, if you go to the chart, left click, you can see here. You see, let me show you. You can see how the chart goes, you know, up here. If you go out to the settings and you go to appearance and you go to not background, right, crosshair, pencil scales. Watermark, nothing goes here. Symbol, status line. This one down here, go to status line, background. See how it makes the black, the thing black, and you know you can turn it off and on. So you turn it on, then it's easy to see, you know, what, the text, right? So you can change the, let me show you up here. Something like this. You see right now that you can see in the background, you can see the candles. But if you pull it all the way, then you have this black background behind the text. It's a lot easier to see, man. So the chart up here, you know, the text needs to be white because we cannot read that, and up here you cannot read what coin it is or anything like that. So put it, you know, put the background on. So you got some kind of gray text, man. Nice. Who was this? Drunken 76, 50x long. Nice. Latin chart. Yeah. Oh, this is nice lines as well. But this one up here, you know, it has these 3 touches, but the 3, you know, maybe it's somewhere else. Did it try to break up there? Yeah, I got rejected by that line. Okay, good so far. Maybe we're gonna get another entry point somewhere, right? Wow, Cardano actually broke out. See, I knew kind of down here was, you know, entry point. How long will it take you to turn the 400 to a million? I don't know, man. We said like we have 12 months because, you know, Sheldon is doing in 12 months. But unfortunately, it's not going as well as I thought it was gonna go. So, you know, it might take a long time. Without confirmation, it's gambling. Of course, it's gambling. But it's not gambling, it's speculation. We are speculating on the coins. Okay, let's take a 5-minute break and just let it, you know, ride a little bit, you know, relax a little bit, you know, take a breather, and then come back to the chart and see if anything, you know, interesting happened. Because this line might as well be a little bit up here, right? See here, if you pulled all the way up there, then we technically did not break it, right? So we are right now at the top. But this was a nice move up here from the bottom to top. That's like a 10% as well move. Try to break, fail that. You're just gambling. Okay, man, I'm just gambling. Yeah, right, but not most important. Yeah, but most important, it's very valuable. Yeah, of course, you're very right. The content is the most important, but the problem, you know why I made the video, guys, up here. You know why I made the video? I made the video, you know, to you know, teach people a little bit about, you know, if you click the video, this video, trading view setup, you know, how to trade, right? And the reason, not how to trade, how to set up the trading view. And the reason I made this video for the TF Fans Club is, you know, for this exact reason. When I look at this chart, I need to know what kind of price you are telling me down here is, right? I need to know, okay, it's gonna go down to this line, but what kind of price? Where is it? You know, what kind of, you know, what kind of numbers am I seeing? Which chart is this? Because I don't see if this is Bitcoin or Ethereum, something like that. Yes. The content is important, but if I cannot figure out where the content, in which coin the content is from, like how valuable is that, right? So, you know. Whole Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Ship Spell, SLP, ICP. Why would you call it ICP and SLP, man, and these, you know, I don't know, man. Matic and Shiba I can, you know, go along with, but I think it wants to break up. Oh, maybe it's creating rising wedge. You see that? Let's clear up everything up here. Something like this. We don't have a rising wedge up here, we have some kind of triangle, and it's breaking that towards the upside as well. It actually broke this. Yeah, Gabriel, join TF Fans Club. It shows how not to gamble. In ascending chance, so should break bullish sometime probably. I feel kind of like I missed the bottom, right? So right, you know, when you look at it on the chart down here, like we longed and then we closed the position on a legendary entry down here on down here. Where was it? Down here. We had an extremely good entry up here, right? Down here somewhere. I don't know where it was. And then we closed it on the move towards downside because it wasn't all the way down there. And then it went against us. Like, look at the move, man. Look at the move. That's 16% move, right? But it's in the rising way, so maybe it's gonna break down. So I think we need to, relax a little bit, not FOMO in on this move towards the upside and wait for a move towards downside. A little bit bigger time frames, like 5 minutes time frame, something like that. Because there has been small pullbacks like over here, but nothing major. The major pullback is a long position. I don't think these pullback, because these are just pullbacks in uptrend, right? I think we need to, a bigger pullback over here and then towards the upside. Oh my god. $200 MA. We're gonna short this right now, short term, okay? Short term short this on the 200 MA. How much up is this right now? 9%. Let's go short it. Not this one. This one. %. $67. Gonna short the rising. It's been climbing for a while. Okay, open short on Ethereum right now. $65. Show entry. 65. I mean, rising wages, you know, we're just shorting a pattern, you know. Long term, we're gonna long it up here, but I think it needs to. 32, 30 seconds left. Okay, let's see if this is, there is, you know, it goes up without the volume, so let's wait. Up to 6. This can end up here. I said 67 up here, but you know, 65. We are down by 2% or something like that, so it's, you know, it's manageable. It's manageable. But right now, this 5-minute chart right now, it's breaking on the downside, which is actually good. Going back inside the triangle. Maybe. Let's keep on watching 5-second charts because reasons. Short ETH on TA, you are right. However, too many short ETH might create a short squeeze, so it will go up. Nah, but this is 5-second chart. This is 1-minute chart. Like, there is no short squeeze on a 1-minute chart. Maybe. Things transactions go up, fees don't go down. Retest, breaking the support. Going back down at least to our entry point. There we go, our entry points are 56. There we go, we are right now in profit. If it breaks this trend over here, we are good. We might get something like 10% up here, if it does that. Because right now it's hitting this support line, so it needs to bounce a little bit up here, maybe retest the resistance up here and then go down again. There's lots over 56. How much that down is? 5-6% down. Broke it on the downside on the small time frames. Some of the it wants to keep it up. Put off this down here again. I think it wants to break down though. Let's see up here. Maybe sitting on the support. If you don't use this, you just use this last part up here. Double bottom down here at 53 or something like that. We're gonna see that. Create a pivot point up here. Maybe didn't. Needs to break down or break up right now. It breaks down. Nice. So far so good. It's about 15.59. There we go. Let me see the volume. There's almost no volume. Green volume is actually right back up again. Wow. One, two, three, fourth time. One minute closing, 14 seconds. Is TFS Club only for elite membership? Nah, it's for everybody. If you go to the our YouTube page, the late adopter. If you go to the YouTube, that's why I want you to join the TFS Club, man. If you go to YouTube page and go to the community. Down here somewhere there will be a link to the TFN's Club chat. This one buy heavily to scare you. It can go all the way up to the 50 MA. How much down are we in right now? 2%. Why don't we have second charts up here, man? Why don't we have second charts up here? We're down 2%. We're gonna market close this. 3% down. Okay, we market close that because it does not go our way. It bounced off of the support right now. Should I wait for this candle up here? $13.52. $50 MA, $15.74. Wondering if I should split the screen in Bitcoin and Bitcoin while doing this. This time I took 1 year from top to bottom. This time 1 year from all-time high, but this early November and we need around 85% down. I don't think we need 85% down, that's the thing. Oh, man. I think I'm getting too tired, guys. I think I'm getting too tired. Maybe it's gonna go up there. Maybe it's gonna go up there. $74. If you don't go up there right now, I mean, I'm gonna be mad. Because of the second trade is too tasky. No, but you kind of see a lot faster what's happening, but I don't know. It's not. One hour close bullish engulfing candle on 1 hourly on Ethereum. Bullish 1 hourly candle up here. Everybody has bullish engulfing candles. 4 hourly closing in 2 hours. I don't think I can actually stay, do this for another 2 hours. So, we're gonna see how far this actually goes. Now it breaks. I don't know what that line was. Let me just remove a little bit lines. So it should be find a better entry after you have zoomed out. Uh, 30 seconds. It's losing pace up here at the top. Because if this breaks out, it's gonna be a nice short, right? I think it. $73. You see these round tops up here? There we go. ETC. Come on, boy, you can do it. You can do it. Go all the way up there. 1573. I think it can go to 1573. Don't you guys think? I think it can go to 1573. 1572, that's close enough for me, man. And no more second charts. Okay, we open a short trade again. 1573. 73. Why are you looking at seconds? I don't know, man. Ways of the Jedi, join the group, you have mightly. Hey man, how you doing? Welcome. Yeah, it needs to break this up here, but it might have a third move towards the downside. This can, under no circumstance, break this towards the upside, because if it does that, then we're pretty effed. Where are you from, buddy? Norway, Norway. Can you please have no more second charts? I think people like second charts. Stuff is happening on the screen, you know. I think the chat likes the second charts. Like if you look at a 4-hourly time frames, nothing is happening, man. Nice. Very nice, very nice. Don't do that, don't do that. Fail, fail. It's not failing, it's not failing. It breaks everything towards the upside 5-second chart. Because if this breaks towards the upside, it's just gonna explode and we're gonna lose like 20%. Okay, 5%, something like that, but you know, still. You have 2 Telegram channels. We got a public Telegram channel for everybody, so everybody can join that. That was mostly made during the bull market, so people come in chat and stuff like that, right? Which is kind of dying, like nobody's joining that right now. But we got a TA Fans Club, Telegram channel, which I am always on. So if you want to post charts, talk about lines and stuff like that, that's for you. You didn't know for scalping, no? No clue, man. Double top up here. 56. 1, 2. Look at a move up here. Okay, this pretty much breaks towards the upside. 57. If it doesn't come down now, it's a little bit too bullish. Don't you guys feel it's a little bit too bullish? For hourly. So this rising wedge, it's either a fake out, which will right now come down, or we are pretty much effed on this trade. %8 up. It's just a little bit too bullish, don't you guys think? But it's extended, so maybe. No pullbacks. Literally no pullbacks. Okay, how much are we down? 8%. Yeah, I'm getting too tired for this. Just break the line down so I can exit position like 5% down or something like that. Nice entry. Stop joking with me, man. I'm already on the edge of 5%. If it goes up here again, like it is a little bit too bullish. How can it be so bullish? It can at least, you know, at least retest the wedge so we can exit position at, you know, without a big loss. I mean, you're killing our portfolio, Sasha. Yeah, I'm killing our portfolio, unfortunately. It goes down big time. It didn't even retest anything. At least it's breaking down a little bit, right? That's good. 1420, I think. It broke out of this, you know, rising wedge towards upside, which is quite, you know, bullish. So right now it's having a pullback down there. If this for whatever reason starts breaking towards upside, expanding wedge on 5-second chart up here. If we break this expanding wedge towards the upside, I'm gonna close the position. No, I'm not. If we break this line up here towards the upside, 50 MA, we are already a bunch down. Like, how much can we hurt if, you know, what's the difference between 5 and 6% down? Like, not much. All right. There we go. We are top, you know, edge of the on the edge of the wedge. I don't know if you can see it, but there is a wedge up here, right? We are right now on the, you know, this is what we shorted up here, you know, whatever. Right now we are edge of that. Right now we're going back inside that, maybe. And the entry was not that bad. It was, I mean, it's 50 MA on the 5-minute chart, and it was already bullish. I want a quick short, but now we are living on the hopium. Now we are living that, you know, maybe, just maybe, we are bearish. Okay, we are just breaking everything towards downside right now. 50 MA down here at 53, 52. That's the support level. Bearish all of August, maybe bearish. Close that long at 1565. It is bullish. We need more rejections. We need more rejections, and we need to show bearishness. But, you know, bearishness is not kicking in. Like, it is, you know, this move down here is normal, you know, retracement move. It needs to go back below these levels down here if you want to keep on the bearishness, right? Because if it starts going up here, like, I'm just gonna close the trade and go to sleep. How soon? Yeah, let's do that. This is very nice. Right now back inside the wedge up here. It needs to break this line towards downside. Create a pivot point up here. A triangle maybe up here. If it goes above the line up here, then we are done. If it goes below the line, that's good. It's kind of doing that. Okay, open short. It's kind of bearish right now. Right, there we go. 200 moving average. Nice, nice move. We are still... I mean, this thing, guys, this thing went down, you know, almost 1% towards downside. We are still in a loss. That's how bad our entry, you know, entry short was. That's how bad it was. Add some more lines. No, but I understand the lines, you know. You know, this line over here is a nice line. We don't want to break that towards upside. This one up here, we don't want to break towards upside. Right now, we are breaking towards upside, and it exploded, of course. And we are going to close our position. Are we going to close our position? I think we are going to close our position right now. Let's hitting this 10 MA. I can't see anything, man. 20 seconds left. Let's wait. Let's wait. 10 seconds left. Yeah, bullish. This already broke, but it can go higher. Yeah, F this, man. Taking a 5% loss. Where is the lines? Doesn't matter. It actually didn't break it. It actually didn't break it. See here, it closed below it. I didn't see it. I just saw that it was going above it. F me, man. Okay, I'm too tired for this, guys. I'm too tired. I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore. We need to update the chart, guys. We need to update the chart before we go. Let's see up here. What kind of trades did we do? We did what days then? 21, 8, 22. We did Cardano first, and we did a short from 1286, and that was, I don't know how much was that. Let's go to Cardano up here. Close P&L. And that was close 99 bucks. So we got like 99 bucks. So how much is that right now? 1286 plus 99, 1385. 1385. So that was fine. 7% up. That was a green trade. That's good. And then we had the 21st 8 22 40 trade. Then we had a ETH. Was it short or long? ETH USDT. Closed short, closed short. Yeah, that we had two short position, 58 and 74 bucks, two times. So ETH short 1385, and we ended up minus 59 bucks. 1385 minus 59 bucks. 1326. 1326, and the last trade was also 21 8 22 41 ETH short as well, and then we start at 1326 and we close that, and right now we are at 1277. 1277, there we go. Something like 49 bucks, something like that. What is it? Yeah, it's probably a little bit different because numbers are not correctly, but you know, it was a losing trade, doesn't matter. And these two are losing trades, and this one over here line below, and this one below here line below, and this over here line below. There we go. Right now at 1277. Let's update up here as well. 1277. I don't know how much 305%. So we're still up 305%, so, you know, whatever. Percent, there we go. Say. And right now it's going down, of course. Of course. Of course. We lost 11 bucks. No, we lost more than 11 bucks. We started 14 something, so we lost over 100 bucks today. There's that. Tomorrow will be better. I hope that's not your win-loss graph. That you need to switch strategy, buddy. It is my win-loss graph. Not to anybody. I got a 49 ultra wide screen trading on a 6 chart at once while checking YouTube. 6 chart at once, man. 1 chart at a time. I told you to relax. I could not relax, man. I could not relax. I FOMO'd in, you know, I was a little bit tired. I already, when I came back from the last break, I said like, I'm tired, you know, and then you kind of do wrong moves. You zoomed in too much and stuff like that, right? Double top up here and then right back down again. Doesn't matter. It's gonna pull back and it's gonna go long as well, whatever. We're gonna do another trade tomorrow, guys. Hit the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, because, you know, why not? Hit the like button on the way out. Join TA Fans Club if you wanna, you know, look at the charts, and, you know, join KuCoin if you wanna buy gems. This was fun. Okay, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, guys, bye bye. We start at 1286. We did not start at 1286, man. When did we start that? Live now. 1416. See here, 1416. We started at 1416. Okay, guys. I'll see you around. Bye bye. Never forget 2488. I'll never forget, man. Bye bye.